Welcome to the enchanting world of scrap wood crafts, where creativity meets sustainability. In today's fast-paced society, the demand for unique, handmade home decor is greater than ever. Consumers are increasingly seeking items that not only beautify their living spaces, but also carry a story and embody eco-friendly principles. This guide will introduce you to the rewarding craft of transforming scrap wood into stunning pieces of art and functional decor that resonate with modern values of sustainability and individuality. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a curious novice, the possibilities are endless when it comes to crafting with reclaimed materials. As you embark on this journey, you'll discover not only the joy of creating beautiful objects, but also the potential for profit and personal fulfillment. Working with scrap wood allows you to reduce waste while tapping into a growing market eager for sustainable products. The process of sourcing materials, honing your skills, and marketing your creations can be both challenging and immensely gratifying. From wall art to functional furniture, each piece you create will reflect your unique style and commitment to sustainability. Join us as we explore the myriad ways to turn scrap wood into treasures, elevating your craftsmanship while making a positive impact on the environment. If you're enjoying the journey into the world of scrap wood crafts, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Your support means the world to us, and by hitting that subscribe button, you'll stay updated on our latest projects, tips, and techniques that can elevate your woodworking skills. If you find value in our videos, please give them a thumbs up and share them with friends or fellow crafting enthusiasts who might appreciate the creativity and sustainability that scrap wood offers. And remember, stay tuned until the end of the video. There's always a special tip or project reveal that you won't want to miss, designed to inspire you and help you make the most of your crafting journey. Crafting with scrap wood offers a unique opportunity to create sustainable, aesthetically pleasing home decor items while promoting eco-friendliness. The woodworking industry has seen a significant shift towards sustainability, with consumers increasingly favoring products made from reclaimed materials. Utilizing scrap wood not only helps reduce waste, but also allows artisans to create one-of-a-kind pieces that stand out in a market filled with mass-produced items. By embracing this craft, you can turn what would typically be discarded into beautiful, functional art, all while contributing positively to the environment. Understanding market demand. In recent years, the demand for handmade, sustainable product has surged, driven by a growing awareness of environmental issues among consumers. People are looking for unique items that reflect their personal style and values. This trend presents a lucrative opportunity for artisans using scrap wood, as these products can offer a story and character that mass-produced goods lack. Researching current home decor trends, such as minimalism, rustic charm, or industrial styles, can help you identify which types of scrap wood crafts resonate with consumers. This knowledge allows you to tailor your creations to appeal to specific demographics, maximizing your marketability. Sourcing scrap wood. Finding scrap wood is often easier than one might think. Local construction sites, furniture makers, and even discarded pallets can be excellent sources of reclaimed materials. By establishing connections with local builders or searching online marketplaces, you can acquire wood at little to no cost. This low overhead significantly boosts your profit margins, as the main investment will be your time and creativity. Furthermore, showcasing the origin of your materials can enhance the perceived value of your products, making them more appealing to eco-conscious consumers who appreciate sustainability. Crafting techniques and skills development. Before diving into the production of scrap wood crafts, it's essential to develop your woodworking skills. Familiarizing yourself with basic techniques such as cutting, sanding, and finishing can dramatically impact the quality of your final products. Online tutorials, woodworking classes, and local workshops provide excellent resources for skill development. As you gain confidence, you can explore more advanced techniques such as joinery, inlays, or even carving, allowing you to create intricate designs that set your work apart. Investing time in improving your skills will ultimately lead to higher quality products and increased customer satisfaction. Popular scrap wood projects, starting with versatile projects, can help you quickly establish a portfolio and test the market. Items such as wall art, picture frames, or decorative shells are particularly popular and can be easily customized to suit various tastes. Offering different sizes, finishes, and styles can help you cater to a wider audience, thus maximizing your sales potential. Seasonal projects, such as holiday decorations or themed home decor, can also yield excellent returns, as consumers often seek unique, handmade items to celebrate special occasions. By diversifying your product range, you can better capture the interest of different customer segments. Finishing techniques for appeal. The finishing process is crucial in transforming raw scrap wood into beautiful, market-ready products. Techniques such as staining, painting, or applying a clear coat not only enhance the visual appeal, but also protect the wood from wear and tear. Experimenting with different finishes can help you discover unique looks that distinguish your items in the marketplace. High-quality finishes can justify higher price points, allowing you to capture greater profit margins. Additionally, showcasing the craftsmanship involved in your finishing techniques can attract discerning customers who appreciate quality work. An effective marketing strategy is essential for promoting your scrapwood crafts. Utilizing social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook can significantly boost your visibility. Sharing behind-the-scenes content, showcasing your finished products, and engaging directly with potential customers can help build a loyal following. Establishing an online presence through platforms like Etsy or local craft fairs can further enhance your reach. Collaborating with influencers or bloggers in the home decor niche can also lend credibility to your brand and attract more buyers. Effective marketing not only drives sales, but also creates a community around your crafts. Pricing strategies. Determining the right price for your products involves careful consideration of various factors. You should account for the cost of materials, the time invested in crafting, and any overhead expenses. Conducting market research to understand competitors' pricing can provide valuable insights into what consumers are willing to pay. It's also beneficial to offer a range of products at different price points to accommodate various budgets, thereby increasing your overall sales volume. Transparent pricing that reflects the quality and uniqueness of your handmade items can attract discerning customers and enhance your brand's reputation. Sustainability as a selling point. In today's market, sustainability is more than just a trend. It's a significant selling point. Promoting the eco-friendly aspects of your scrapwood crafts can resonate deeply with environmentally conscious consumers. Highlighting the use of reclaimed wood and natural finishes can enhance your brand's appeal. Educating potential customers about the environmental benefits of choosing handmade over mass-produced items fosters a deeper connection and encourages repeat business. By positioning your crafts as sustainable alternatives, you can tap into a loyal customer base that values ethical consumption. Crafting with scrap wood is not only a sustainable practice, but also a fulfilling way to express creativity and generate income. By understanding market demands, honing your skills, and effectively marketing your products, you can create a successful venture. The combination of artistry, sustainability, and profitability makes scrapwood crafts a rewarding pursuit for any artisan. Embracing this craft offers the potential for personal and financial growth, while making a positive impact on the environment. Thank you for watching the video. We appreciate your support and hope you found it inspiring. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects and tips. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might be interested in scrapwood crafts. Your engagement helps us grow and continue providing valuable content. See you in the next video.